Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Unlock your iPhone and open Settings, then tap Wallpaper. Once there, choose a new wallpaper to begin. If the built-in Earth image is present, tap Stills and locate Earth. If not, open Photos to use a downloaded Earth image. Make sure your image is full resolution so it fills the screen. If you downloaded the image, note its orientation and crop behavior before you proceed to the next step. Now position and set the image. Tap the Earth photo and use pinch to zoom and drag to frame the globe where you want it. If you want a static wallpaper, make sure perspective zoom is off. Alternatively, leave it on for subtle parallax motion. Once satisfied, tap Set and choose whether to apply it to your lock screen, home screen, or both. Remember that home screen widgets and app icons can obscure details, so center important features accordingly before finalizing. Finish by checking both screens to confirm the Earth wallpaper displays as intended. If parts of the globe are cut off or the image shifts unexpectedly, go back and adjust the crop or disable perspective zoom. Small repositioning fixes most issues. If the wallpaper refuses to update or shows a blank background, restart your iPhone and reapply the wallpaper. When done, enjoy the new look, it's set. If problems persist, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.